Greetings, fellow traders. I'd like to share a straightforward yet effective strategy that I've been successfully utilizing in the natural gas futures market on MCX within the Indian stock market. After immersing myself in the stock market for over 3 years, experimenting with various strategies, taking numerous paid courses, and watching countless YouTube videos, I've finally found a strategy that consistently generates profits. Over the past 3 months, I've been averaging a monthly profit of 1 lakh with a capital base of around 10 lakhs. Recently, I executed a trade within a 3i, or time frame, securing a profit of 1.2 lakhs. This strategy, known as the buy and sell ratio, has proven to be highly effective, particularly during upper circuit or lower circuit ranges. Here's how the strategy works when the buy and sell ratio total quantity is above 1.3 for a minimum of 15 minutes. It signals a potential entry point for a trade. The optimal scenario is when the ratio exceeds 1.4, indicating that the total quantity of buys should be at least 4 times that of sells. For instance, if the sell quantity is 1,000, the buy quantity should be 4,000 or more. During this time frame, a minimum upward movement of 2-3 points is expected. Conversely, if the buy-sell ratio is reversed, favoring sells over buys, it signals an opportunity for a sell trade. By repeating this process 5-6 times with a large lot size, substantial profits can be achieved. Always set a target of 1 point profit. 50x more lots with a stop loss of 3 points from the entry point. Be cautious around lower and upper circuit areas. By consistently applying this strategy while considering market conditions, I have found success in navigating the natural gas futures market. Remember to exercise caution, especially in lower and upper circuit areas, and continuously refine your approach to adapt to changing market dynamics. Happy trading!